Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introduce my team. My name is Azifah Chadewi
And my name Muhammad Darul Alam.
We are students at State Islamic Senior High School 1 Kudus. In this special occasion, we are going to present our research entitled Smart Triple Farming Armal, Aeroponics, Maggot and Catfish based on Internet of Things. Okay everyone, without further ado, let's get down to our business.
Indonesia, as a country that carries out national development, has the goal of achieving prosperity and realizing equitable and prosperous society. In realizing this, there is a great need for economic development to achieve prosperity for the community. This week's economic performance has an impact on the labor situation in Indonesia, one of which is the agriculture sector. Agriculture is one of the sectors that is very important for Indonesians. According to Apiadun, every year about 60,000 hectares of agricultural land is depreciated. This is due to the practice of changing agricultural land function into non-agricultural areas. Technological developments in the agricultural sector are increasingly rapid, one of which is aeroponic technology. Therefore, we need a tool that can be used for agriculture in limited, efficient, and eco-friendly, that is smart triple farming Armal, aeroponics, maggot, and catfish as a method and tools that can be used for agriculture in limited space, efficient, and eco-friendly based on Internet of Things.
Next is research problems. Based on the background, the research problems are: first, how to design the smart triple farming Armal, aeroponic, maggot, and catfish tool as a method and a tool that can be used for agriculture in limited space, efficient, and eco-friendly based on IoT. Second, how to test smart triple farming Armal, aeroponic, maggot, and catfish as a method and a tool which can be used for agriculture in limited space, efficient, and eco-friendly based on IoT.
The making of smart triple farming Armal, aeroponic, maggot, and catfish based on IoT was carried out in laboratory of MAN 1 Kudus in September to October. The next tool and material. The tools used in this research are solder, rod, glue gun, screwdriver, and scissors. The materials in this research are glue gun, double type relay, not MCU, DXT11, pH sensor, and pump DC 12 volt.
The composers is as maggot cultivation, and maggot is as an alternative to catfish feed.
Flowchart Smart Triple Farming Armal has three working principles. Those are detecting the dissolved solid content in the catfish pond, detecting the pH of the catfish pond, and detecting the temperature in the maggot cage. If the system detects that the pH of the water and the dissolved solids content in the catfish pond water is above standard, it will automatically send a reading to the blink and automatically turn on the water pump 1 to filter the catfish pond waste water, while the second water pump will drain the catfish pond water to the aeroponic plant root watering nozzle.
Result of smart triple farming Armal design. Function of smart triple farming Armal is to design a more efficient system by combining aeroponics, catfish farming, and maggot, equipped with real-time monitoring and control system which can be accessed through the application software that is called Blink. The device is also equipped with a UV lamp that acts as an aeroponic plant growth accelerator. Catfish pond wastewater will be watered to the roots of aeroponic plants using a nozzle. Furthermore, if the pH and TDS sensor detect that the pool water does not conform to the standard, it will turn on the DC pump to filter the water. Meanwhile, the DHT11 temperature sensor will detect the temperature in aeroponic plants. The next is the sensor testing. The first is temperature sensor accuracy testing. Temperature sensor testing to determine the accuracy and precision of the temperature sensor used by providing a stimulus in the form of heat from a match. The result of the temperature sensor reading will be compared with a room temperature reader that is a national standard, that is a thermometer. The components required in this testing process are the DHT11 temperature sensor, not the MCU, jumper cable, thermometer, and laptop.
Second, the accuracy of the pH sensor testing. pH sensor testing is to determine the accuracy and precision of the pH sensor used by providing a stimulus in the form of water. The reading result of pH sensor will be compared with a pH reader that has complied with the standard, that is pH meter. The components needed in this testing process are a pH sensor, not MCU, jumper cable, pH meter, and laptop. Third is TDS-40 sensor accuracy testing. TDS-40 sensor testing is to determine the accuracy and precision of the TDS-40 sensor used by providing a stimulus. The reading result of the TDS-40 sensor will be compared with the standard total dissolved solid reader, the TDS meter. The components required in this testing process are not MCU, TDS-40 sensor, TDS meter, jumper cable, and laptop.
Next is conclusion. The design of smart triple farming Armal, aeroponic, maggot, and catfish based on IoT using not MCU as microcontroller, DHT11 sensor as a temperature detector in aeroponic plants, TDS-40 sensor as a detector of total dissolved solid in catfish pond, pH sensor as a pH detector in catfish ponds, nozzle as aeroponic plant root sprinkler, 12-volt DC pump as a catfish pond water pump to filters and nozzle, UV lamp as a closed accelerator of aeroponic plants, and IoT used for monitoring on land via the cold plane.
That's all the presentation from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.